Welcome back to Smart Drive Hub HUB, your ultimate destination for legendary rides, thrilling motorcycles, and everything automotive. Today, we have something truly special for you, the all-new Harley-Davidson Knucklehead 2026, a legend reborn, combining classic heritage with modern performance. The Knucklehead name has always been synonymous with Harley-Davidson history. First introduced in the 1930s, the original Knucklehead engine redefined American motorcycling with its distinctive, knuckle-shaped, rocker covers and powerful twin-cylinder design. And now, in 2026, Harley brings this legend back to life for a new generation of riders. From the very first glance, the 2026 Knucklehead commands attention. Its retro-inspired lines pay homage to the classic Harley styling, while modern touches ensure it performs as impressively on today's roads as the originals did decades ago. Every curve, every detail, from the fuel tank to the seat, reflects a perfect blend of heritage and innovation. Under the hood, the 2026 Knucklehead packs a heart of modern engineering. The powerful engine delivers smooth, responsive torque and impressive acceleration, making it perfect for both city cruising and long highway rides. Harley's latest technology ensures better handling, stability, and rider comfort, so you get that authentic Harley feel with all the perks of modern innovation. Riders will immediately notice the attention to detail. Classic round headlamps, premium leather seats, and authentic Harley badges make it a true collector's dream, while advanced suspension and braking systems keep the ride safe and enjoyable. Whether you're a longtime Harley enthusiast or a new rider, the Knucklehead makes a statement on the road. The sound of a Harley is legendary, and the 2026 Knucklehead doesn't disappoint. Its exhaust note is deep, throaty, and unmistakably Harley, a sound that commands respect wherever you ride. And with modern refinements, it balances raw power with smooth operation, making every ride an experience to remember. Customization has always been part of Harley's DNA, and the Knucklehead continues this tradition. Riders can personalize their bike with a variety of finishes, handlebars, and accessories to make it uniquely theirs. From vintage-inspired colors to modern detailing, the Knucklehead 2026 allows you to ride in style while honoring the legacy of the original. In essence, the 2026 Harley-Davidson Knucklehead is more than just a motorcycle, it's a living tribute to Harley's history, a perfect fusion of nostalgia and cutting-edge engineering. It's designed for those who value legacy, style, and pure riding. So, if you're ready to experience the return of a legend, the Harley-Davidson Knucklehead 2026 is waiting for you. Remember, legends never fade, they evolve, and this is one ride that proves it. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Smart Drive Hub HUB for more exclusive motorcycle reveals, detailed walkarounds, and automotive content you won't find anywhere else. Hit the notification bell so you never miss an update from the world of legendary bikes.